Hello and welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Casey and this is Lauren and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today we're mixing up some tasty treats that are perfect for your summer happy hour.
Yes, we know you guys are going to love these just as much as we do. Today we are making Boozy Milkshakes. So these milkshakes have alcohol in them, and we are going to share also how to make these non-alcoholic.
Right, so the first one that we're making is an Irish coffee milkshake.
Yes, so we're starting out with coffee ice cream. Today we're using Kemp's Caribou Coffee Java Chunk, which we just love. But feel free to use your favorite type of coffee ice cream. So we are just going to scoop about 3 cups into our blender.
I love this one in particular because it's kind of like a combination of dessert and after dinner drink and also like after dinner coffee all in one.
Oh yes.
All in one milkshake.
Yes, these are just fun. They're just something different to make and very trendy and popular right now as well. Oh, we got a little bit more ice cream in there.
Never enough coffee ice cream.
Never. All right. Good. And for our next ingredients, we're going to add in some Bailey's. This is Espresso Cream. Really good. And then some creme de cacao. And we're going to go ahead and blend this up.
So simple.
This looks good.
Oh, it looks so good. Okay, so to prepare our glass for this one, we've placed our glasses in the freezer ahead of time just to make sure that they're chilled and easier to work with what we're garnishing with. So for this one, we're going to drizzle some chocolate syrup on the inside. This is one of those things that's
so fun.
So easy, but it looks
very gourmet. Yes. All right, and then we're just going to pour in our milkshake.
Oh my goodness. That looks awesome.
I'm going to rinse this out for our next one.
All right, so to garnish this one then, I'm going to add some whipped cream, some extra chocolate syrup, because you can never have enough, right? And a few chocolate-covered espresso beans to really kick that coffee flavor up. All right, so we have these 2 milkshakes that we're doing today, but we also have 3 other ones that we're not going to cover today, but we have them available on our website. We have an old-fashioned supper club, or supper club old-fashioned milkshake, which is really good. They're all great. The Boozy S'mores milkshake and a chocolate stout milkshake. So definitely look for those.
All right, so move this one over and we can move on to our next one. We're going to scoop in some mint chocolate chip ice cream.
Yep, because this one is a tipsy mint cookies and cream milkshake.
Oh yes, I'm going to keep you guys guessing on what this one's going to be. But of course, use your favorite type. Today we're using Kemp's new crafted ice cream, which is delicious. Get a little bit more in
Mint chocolate chip is such a classic. And I love turning it into this milkshake.
Oh, yes.
It makes it even more delicious.
And the cookies just add this whole other element as well.
For sure.
Awesome. Cover back on here. Oh, of course, we need the other stuff.
Yes.
All right, so we're adding in, well, let's add in our cookies.
Chocolate mint cookies add so much flavor.
Our creme de menthe. And then our creme de cacao. This looks better.
Oh my gosh, yes.
I was getting too excited.
Yeah. Hard not to.
Yeah. All right. Pop this guy back on, and now we blend it up. All right. Ooh, this looks good.
Oh, awesome.
If you needed to thin these out too, you could definitely do that with some milk. But if your ice cream's a little more on the melted side, it should be just fine.
Right. So to prepare this glass then, I'm going to rim it with some Hershey's chocolate syrup. And then go in again with the crushed chocolate mint cookies.
This is such a fun and very easy thing to do. And really the key is making sure that glass is frozen ahead of time.
Yep.
All right, so I'm going to pour in our milkshake here.
Oh, yum.
It smells like cookies.
It does. All right.
So good.
To garnish, of course, more whipped cream. We're going to add a little sprig of mint.
So pretty.
And an extra chocolate mint cookie. Look
Yum.
at that. All right, let's give these a try. Mmm.
Oh my God. These are
It's
so
dessert. It's a drink. It's perfect.
Yes.
What more could you want?
Good. Yes. We know you guys are going to absolutely love these this summer.
Well, mix up these milkshakes for some spirited summer sipping.
And to get these recipes on your phone, text milkshake to 78402.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.